can't even see me. Cause all that is be on you. I'm just saying I can be.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video. This video is going to be all about this bomb wig that I'm currently rocking. Yeah, you see it. This color, I haven't done a color this vibrant in such a long time. So I was super excited about this particular wig. I gave you some teasers on Instagram. I gave y'all some on the YouTube story. Nonetheless, we are here to finally do a review, install, styling video on this bomb wig. This is in collaboration with BeautyForeverHair. BeautyForeverHair. Shout out to y'all because I am obsessed with this hair. I'm gonna jump right into the video if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed it, how I got it to look like this, because originally it was a body wave. Or if you just want to know details about the hair, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Timestamps will be down below.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I let it more than oh yeah, you got potential, I can't explain. It's so persuasive, I made some changes, where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not enough time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Roll up and face it, don't keep me waiting. You love me how you love me, then just say it. Yeah. Girl, what's the hold? Don't take me home. You came the closest, we should be close. I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me go. Don't let
Okay, so to jump right into my final thoughts on this hair, I think this is one of the best pre-colored wigs that I have received in a really long time. So the density on this baby is 180% density, and she is giving all 180. Even in the body wave texture, she still gives 180. I don't really care for pre-constructed wigs as much because I feel like they're low. A lot of the times the density isn't where it should be. But this one, man, they did that. Okay, it came in a real consistent body wave pattern similar to all body wave textures. So I went ahead, I washed it, conditioned it, let it air dry. The body wave was still there. Then on top of that, I went ahead and added curls. Look at this. So along with that, another thing that I wanted to point out was the lace. The lace on this unit is super delicate, super thin. It was so easy to melt into the skin. Like, when it comes to the baby hairs, they already give you baby hairs in this wig. So if you're not good with cutting baby hairs into a lace wig, they already got you. I decided to do something a little different, being that this was a fun curly look that I was going for. I actually curled my baby hairs. I didn't cut them down too short. I left them a little longer just so I could curl them. They're dropping just a little because I'm sitting under these bright, hot lights. But BeautyForever did their thing with this hair. I haven't worked with BeautyForever in a really long time. Let me tell you something, after this wig, very much I need to work with them again because this is bomb. Definitely check all the links down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this wig. If I have any discount codes, I will insert it here, or always check the description box. I want to thank all you beauties for watching. I also want to thank BeautyForever for sponsoring this video. And I will see you beauties in the next one.
Back keep flowing, hit the gas keep going. Yeah, them girls on tour, going city after city.